Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lauren. Today it's going to be a get ready with me quarantine edition. I wanted to make a super simple makeup look that you could follow along and learn how to do in order to not feel like a bum when you decide to go to Walmart or Target or go shopping because things are starting to open up. The question of the day is also, do you wear a mask in public during this whole pandemic? Please comment it below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to be notified every single time I post a video. And stay tuned if you'd like to see how I did it. Alright, so to get started, I am using my Daily Moisturizing Lotion by CeraVe and my Facial Moisturizing Lotion with sunscreen. I am going to be applying this all over my face, rubbing it in. And then I will be using a little bit because it goes a long way. All over your face, you wanna rub it in. Now, in my last video, I ordered a rose quartz roller and a gua sha tool. I love this thing. It makes my skin feel great. So I just do that in the mornings before I apply my makeup to help increase blood flow and reduce inflammation. Okay, so now that is all blended in, I am going to be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 118 because I'm pale and haven't self-tanned. This has been my holy grail foundation forever. I don't try other foundations because this one works so well for me. I'm using this one and a beauty blender from Real Techniques. Just going to be applying all of that. I hope everybody is doing well during quarantine and that everyone's staying safe and healthy. I guess quarantine's over, but like social distancing is still a thing. We're all in this together. I went to Ulta the other day and let me tell you, it was amazing. Anyways, I'm gonna just keep blending this all in. Our girl is pretty blended. Okay, so next thing I'm going to be doing is my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I also love this. Like so. And I am just going to blend this in. I'm just going to be taking my Wet n Wild brush. I'm using this with my Hoola bronzer, and just going to be applying all of that. I also use this to do the top of my forehead and my jawline, and then I have another brush to contour like my nose. Taking this smaller brush, dipping it in, tapping her. People don't realize how much you can like change your nose shape just by adding shadows to it. After that, I'm going to be doing a little bit of blush. You can use whatever blush you feel comfortable. I actually don't have like physical like bi-tidal blush. I like using eyeshadow just because I feel like it's very pigmented. I already have a palette that has two great peachy pinks. I might as well use them. I use it in like every single video. It's the Bubblegum and Fuck combo out of the Jawbreaker palette. Just starting on the apples of my cheeks, blending. So I put blush like on my nose. Okay, so I promise this will look more natural after, but alright, so next thing I'm doing is my brows. I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in shade Soft Brown. Brows are on my face. Next thing I am going to be using is a Morphe palette. I felt like this was fitting because these are a little bit more affordable. So this is the 35V palette. Alright, so I already started on this eye, but for this eye I do just want to take my Morphe palette, use these two lighter nude shades, apply them into my crease, and blend it out. After that, I am going to be taking the same brush and dipping into 2 darker shades in the Morphe palette. This one right here and this bottom one right here. And I'm just going to be applying that into my outer corner and blending it out with a smaller, thinner brush. And then taking my smaller brush, this is an M506 brush, and just blending those colors into one another. Awesome, so everything is pretty much blended together. I'm going to be dragging one of those darker colors underneath my eye with that thinner brush. Alright, so after that, I got this from e.l.f. It is just a liquid eyeshadow. This is in the color Flirty Birdie. And I'm just going to be tapping this right onto the center of my lid and using my finger to blend it all in. So now I have this like very pretty light shimmery color. I'm going to be taking a thin brush and going into that same palette. It's like a shimmery shade right here, kind of like a champagne color. So you're pretty much done with your eyes besides mascara. This is the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect by Maybelline. I like a pop of color even with this look. I am going to be going in a Shockwave Neon Liner from LA Girl. I'm just going to be applying that to my waterline. Awesome, so after that, it's just a matter of lip gloss. This is Stockholm in the Soft Matte Lip Cream from NYX. Now I am going to just be using my highlighter. This is the Jeffree Star Siberian Gold Skin Frost highlighter. Awesome, next thing I'm going to be doing is taking my hair down. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will be linking all of my products below if you'd like. I do have other videos up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share them with your friends. Awesome, have a great day.